Oh, friends, Running Kimono here, and if you can make this deal happen, I absolutely would. We have a free item that's a really interesting snack. It's like a peanut butter filled with chocolate pretzel. So I can't even wrap my head around it, but it's called FLIPZ. I'm sure you guys have seen it if you are into snacking. It looks actually quite good. I mean, I wish I could partake in this deal. So, basically, if you look up this exact product in the Walgreens app, it's actually 99 cents, which is absolutely crazy. So, I would put my order in right away curbside. Alternatively, yes, you can price match your online store price to in store. They'll have to grant you at least one. You'll need a manager to override that, but I absolutely would. So the original price for this peanut butter filled pretzel coated in milk chocolate, 6 ounces, is $4.99. So it's down to 99 cents, and it's called FLIPZ stuffed. So quite the mouthful. I probably would have changed that around if I was in charge of marketing. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's $1 back for this exact product, and you can do it of a limit of up to five. So you're actually going to get $5 back with your IBOTTA account, which is really amazing. So definitely look up this product, look up FLIPZ or chocolate to peanut butter, or look up pretzel or snack or food or whatever you have to do. Make sure it's there in your IBOTTA account. I'm going to predict this is going to go pretty quickly and people are going to max it out because it's such a great deal. And for a lot of you that are like, oh, you can only do this at Rite Aid. No, because if you go below, it says available at, and if you look at the right hand side, we have the Walgreens logo. So it's there. Make sure this is loaded, and definitely make sure your store has it. If you live in a larger market, I'm pretty sure that they carry this product. If you live in a smaller town, they might not have it. So putting five of these into your basket, it's $4.95. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Get a receipt at the store. So if you do this as a curbside pickup, drive to the store and get it. When you go to the photo counter, and if you see the cashier with a Zebra, which is a handheld computer device where they do the scanning and price modification and all that stuff, just politely say, hey, I need a receipt. Can you ring this up with the regular cash register? And most reasonable cashiers will be, yeah, absolutely no problem. And they'll make that happen. They're scanning everything on Zebras to expedite it if they have 5 or 10 orders and they have to run everything out to the cars. But if you go in store, they should probably give you a receipt, because you need to photograph your receipt to the IBOTTA. And I know that a lot of you have issues with linking your IBOTTA with your Walgreens account. Call or email customer service, their Zendesk. You could also do this in store if you want to drive to the store, but you're going to have to ask for a price match. Walgreens will allow a price match from their online prices to in store. They limit it up to one time. They won't price match, like, say, Walmart has cheaper Lysol or Glade or something like that. I mean, that's not going to happen. But their Walgreens.com to Walgreens in store, yes, they do price match. You might have to pull this up. Just Google search it. It's in the Walgreens manifest of what they allow, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I absolutely would move on this, especially if you like little snacks for back to school or just to have it around. This is a really good deal, so I would pounce on this right away. Good luck, guys.